So in this video, you might see a lot of like randomness, you know what I'm saying, throughout this whole video, just because I'm not really a vlogger like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, with that being said, the next clip is gonna be me right when I woke up, just explaining whatever I was about to say. Fuck it. Yo, back with another video. And today, you know, I don't know what this video even is, bro. It's just probably just gonna be like a vlog or something. I don't even know. I'm gonna just show you like what goes down in the morning, you know, because I do this early life. It's about 7 a.m. and I really be doing this, you know. It's just like a morning routine, I guess, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I make in the morning and what I destroy.
You know what I'm saying? I'm also,
so maybe throughout the day, I don't know. It's quarantine season. We ain't got nothing to do, you feel me? So yeah, stay tuned. And now this clip is me showing you guys how I really do these eggs. You know what I'm saying? How I start off my morning with a great, nutritious breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really do this in the kitchen. Nobody can see me in the kitchen. So I bet you cannot understand.
so welcome to another segment called Cooking with Chef Joel, you feel me? And today's segment will involve me going crazy because I'm about to show you how I do this plate. Like, I'm about to show you how I really
Step it up. All right, so first things you're gonna need is you're gonna need the eggs. You're gonna need the eggs. You feel me? After that, you're gonna need the cheese. So we don't have the cheese. Hey, yo, if you're judging my fish, don't worry about it, all right? Don't worry about it. So we're just gonna need the eggs. We already got the oil, don't worry about that either. And we're gonna need the bagels, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna grab these ones. You know what I'm saying? Which ones are these? These are the blueberry bagels, you feel me? These are blueberry bagels. Nobody knows about these, okay? While you're cooking with eggs, you gotta also know that you need your seasonings, you know what I'm saying? You can't go making eggs with no seasoning. So what I do is I get the what is this called? This is called the garlic salt, you feel me? And then we gotta get the red pepper. I'm gonna show you how this goes crazy. But for all of that, we gotta pray. And we gotta pray because we gotta thank the Lord that we even have food to eat. Amen. Amen. So now that we have just prayed, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you, like, in a matter of transitions though, I'm gonna show you how to make these eggs. They're gonna be looking, they're about to be looking scrumptious, you feel me? So first thing you're gonna need is the oil. So let's get that. There we go. And then next we're gonna need to turn that stove on, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna turn that on. We're gonna let it heat up. So now since the oil is heating up, now we can you see how things are getting prepared here. Like, nobody is seeing me in this kitchen. Like, we also gotta have the ketchup because ketchup is just man, so don't worry about it. Anyways, we're gonna get that, and then also we're gonna just get these eggs, right? And we're gonna put them right there, you feel me? So boom, you feel me? You see how that egg is doing like that? And while it's doing that, you grab the pepper and go boom, just like that. And you grab the salt and you go boom, 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 just like that. I usually have cheese, but we ain't got no cheese today, so it ain't no problem. No problem. And yes, I'm doing one at a time. Don't worry about it. Anyways, we're also gonna get these bagels ready, and we'll do that just in a minute also. And you see how that egg is just doing its thing? Then this is what you go here and you flip that. Okay, and don't worry about the oil, alright? The oil is healthy. This is tree oil, straight from the trees. Yeah. But yeah, don't worry about the oil, you feel me? It's all good. The eggs still taste better than your mom, you feel me? Anyways, nobody can see me in the kitchen. And we also want to add a little more salt to that, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there. We really didn't see it flip, but usually that's what we do. Then after it's you know, after it's done, because it doesn't take long. You take that, right? And you go wow, boom, right there. That's one egg. Fire down. Next. Ready? Boom. You feel me? You do the same thing, rinse and repeat. That's what we do here. You repeat that. And the salt, coronavirus. But anyways, boom, boom, like that. And we let the eggs do its thing, okay? And all of that, we're still doing these bagels. We're still doing these bagels right here. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna all come together. Bro, just stay tuned, all right? Right there, you see what's going on. But even before all of that, we need some ketchup. So we're gonna need some ketchup to get on there. All right, so the ketchup's on there. Then we gotta do the eggs like this, like we're painting, okay? Really, I was in painting school. I really had a scholarship, but I didn't really want to do them like that, so I turned them down. So don't worry about that. Anyways, you guys might be wondering, why are you using so much oil? Don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about the oil. Just worry about these eggs, you feel me? So once you do the eggs like that, we gotta get these bagels right. Ready? Ooh, look at that bagel though. You know what I'm saying? We gotta put that right there. Look at this. That's the finished product, you feel me? Just 2 eggs in the bagel. Nothing crazy though. I just wanted to show you how I really do this. I usually do 3 eggs. But I'm not really trying to get swole like that because I'm already 350 pounds bench more than you. Bench a car, you feel me? But yeah, really I do just 3 eggs. I just didn't have the cheese. Anyways, this is the final project, alright? I'm gonna catch y'all while I'm doing this dirty.
Not an idiot. That's why she called Connor and me over. So we decided to tell her that you coerced us to get her trust back.
You said yourself to stay in her good graces, and she can't use that recording in her trial.
Now this is me just outside for some reason. Hey yo, this was pre-recorded, so that's why the view looks different. I don't know why I'm outside right now, but it is what it is. Like, this is just me outside. You know what I'm saying? The sun was just looking so... We straight chilling over here, cuddle. Nice. Sun is just hitting. Nice. You see the views. Like, you can't really even ask me why. Like, you can't, like, bro. Like, look, bro. Like, look what I'm looking at. Like, it's really nice out here. And yeah, that was just, you know, just a little vlog. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry that I'm a little choppy, a little all over the place. We will get that situated soon, all right? We'll get that situated as we get more familiar with filming myself, cause bro, I'm new to this, cause though I'm new to this, you feel me? I'm new to this. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay safe out there. Peace.
Get your man's hook. Then got Karen hook. Not your band's hook. Then get killed by nothing. Then get killed by something. I'm put a bitch on the head. All out of hoes in my bed. All out of sticks. All out of sticks. All out of bitches. Don't get lost in my mix. I put foes in my mix. I put foes in my shit. She all on